In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator. So restricted mode helps to hide potentially mature videos. So here's what you need to do. Just open any browsers that you have and type on youtube.com. And once you're in youtube.com, just tap on your profile on the upper right. In here, you will see restricted mode off. So just tap that one. So just go ahead and toggle activate restricted mode. And when you go back to your menu, so when you tap your profile again, you will see here restricted mode on. So if you want to turn it off, just click that one and toggle the button again. And that's it. It's quite pretty quick and easy, right? So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.